Alright.
So today we have a Karen USA Adventures mystery box. We've been waiting for this, and this girl, her name is Karen, and she's from England, and she goes to these stores, and she'll get you things from England. And we've ordered from her before.
So now she decided to do a mystery.
Yeah.
Just pause it.
It says, it's a mystery. Okay, here we go. You guys get to see first. Yeah, that's reading it. Oh, this is my first mystery box. I am so excited to start this next chapter. Thank you for making this happen. Karen XO.
Yeah, give it a second. Put it up there for them to see it.
Okay.
Okay, so as we see, there's a red
Possibly.
on the front posit. We're outside today because we thought it was a pretty day, so we had to be careful with all the foozles.
Foodloos.
Alright. So, one thing Karen loves to do, she loves to tell us all about her lovely chocolates in England that has the best chocolates ever. So, we have quite a few Casberries. And as you can tell, there's a bag here. So let's see what it is. Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, wow, ladies.
Mommy.
Okay, hold on one second.
Hi, Sissy.
Things up. So here's some of the stuff that we had for the Casberry stuff. We have a tea towel. It's the World of Casberry.
Got some
We have
chocolates.
a huge bar right here that I've never had before. And,
And then another orange, and it's kind of melted, so we're not going to try it right now. So we have this Mickey and Minnie sketch bag, and I am in love. I love everything art and Mickey and Minnie, and I love this.
So let's see what it looks like opened up.
There's stuff inside.
Wow.
Goofy.
Okay, so on the show.
Okay. And this is a lip balm, and it is Mickey Mouse. I am in love with this too. Oh, let's see what this
It's got
is.
Starbucks. That's mine. I have a tea, an actual English tea,
Oh, is that okay? Mom.
and then I have a cup.
Oh, it's another England.
So that's amazing. I love those cups. Is there anything else in there?
No. And it's just black inside. I'm gonna see if there's anything in this. Hi, buddy.
We have some cute socks.
Oh, let me see.
We have potions on them. They're Harry Potter.
Oh, more towels.
I have a set of these and I love them. They are
So
amazing.
I'm so glad we got another one of those, Mom.
Love them. And then we have a mystery box in our mystery box.
Mystery and a mystery. We love that.
And she's even covered up what it is, so we have no idea until we open it.
That's even awesomer.
Alright,
I want to do it.
let's open that part up. Easy, easy. So it looks like it might be some kind of ornament.
Oh, it's a living magic sketchbook.
It sings, whatever it is.
Oh, I absolutely love this. This is one of my favorite movies. Growing up, watching this was amazing. It's a good memory with my mom that we would watch. And since she's gone now, this will be a great thing to hang on our tree. And we'll have to see if it does anything. That's the bunny guy. Beautiful. Amazing.
I'm super glad. Like, this was so awesome. I recommend you guys go into her Facebook page.
And even just shop there. It's amazing
Yeah.
the stuff that I get every
Or
month.
even look. Because we get a lot of stuff from her, and I think you guys would love her. I know we do, and I think you would too.
And thank you for watching the Villain Sisters. And we hope to have many more openings. Don't forget to like and share and comment. Tell us
And
what was your
subscribe
favorite
at the
part.
bottom.
So